This video introduces FR Robot Communication Tutorial as a socket client. First, enter the coding interface. Write the Robot Socket Client program. Add a loop instruction that runs continuously. When FR Robot communicates with external equipment as a client, we mainly use the following 4 instructions. Socket Open establishes a communication with the server. Socket Close closes the communication with the server. Socket Send String enables the robot to send characters to the server. Socket Read String allows the robot to read characters sent by the server. Let's look at the Socket Open instruction first. This instruction requires 3 parameters: the server IP address, the server port number, and the socket identifier. It supports 4 channels from socket 0 to socket 3. Enter the server IP address. Note that the server address must be in the same network segment as the robot. Enter the communication port. The socket close instruction requires 1 parameter: the target channel. The socket send string instruction has 3 parameters: the content of the characters to be sent by the robot, the target channel, and the blocking flag 0 for blocking, 1 for non-blocking. The socket read string instruction has 2 parameters: the target channel and the blocking flag, same as socket send string. Adjust the program. Judge the character information received from the server. Set the status of DO0. Set DO0 to output for 5 seconds. After the DO output ends, send information to the server. When end is received, terminate the communication. After writing the program, switch to auto mode. We use the software NetAssist to simulate the external socket server. Open NetAssist to establish communication. Run the program. Check the communication status through Net Assist and open the I/O status bar. When the robot sends OK, it means the robot is ready. Sense start in Net Assist, then observe the I/O status and note the return value done. Sense and in Net Assist, and observe that Net Assist receives closed. The socket client communication is closed. That's all for the socket client communication tutorial. Thank you for watching.